It has been challenging. These learners come from the neighborhood around this school. Some are so much vulnerable, their parents cannot even afford a lamp. There are those that are very serious and want to hear what the teacher is talking about. But these children become disadvantaged because the school had no power.
Learning through the day is not enough for learners to perform. We need light.
Now, because we share solar, we will be in a very good position to get our work done very easily.
The We Share Solar partners have come to the school. They have brought us the solar panels, connection box, charging system, the bulbs installed in the classroom. So the learners in classrooms, they are going to have a very golden opportunity because the classrooms have lights.
I can say it has many things that can help us in difficult times, maybe the rainy seasons, when the earth is dark. The teacher is able even to explain things that we can see on the chalkboard. And so it's going to help us in reading.
Solar panels does not pollute the environment. It's cheap to maintain because it's only use a sun, and sun is free.
The best thing is that now when the learners get to school, the environment is very conducive for learning. You can just light your light, continue reading, no disturbance.
We've never been like this, comfortable. We Share Solar will really impact the life of the learners very positively, same to the lives of the teachers.
We are grateful for the solar that We Share Solar has done to our school. Thank you very much.